Eddie, did you pack your things?
Yes, where are we going? First time in my life that I've been doing this.
You are very special. That's why I love you very much. So hello to you, sweetheart. This is me again, my sucre. Welcome back to another episode of Crush Baking on You.
Episode
3. Crush Baking on You episode today is actually about a cake who actually originated in Black Forest region in Germany. It's called so because it looks like a black forest in a snowy winters. I love this dessert because it's actually represent very rich cultural presentation.
그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day.
Hi, Ate Evie! Thank you! From a red velvet to blueberry, and now, let's go to Black Forest in Germany. Please let us welcome Ate Evie Pinalba. So how are you, Ate Evie?
Hi Jessica, I'm glad to see you here.
Thank you.
And I'm here to join Jessica on today's episode of
Crush Baking on You. Thank you, Ate Evie, for accepting my invitation. And could you tell us something about yourself?
I'm Evie Peñalba. I've been here in France since 2001. So I've been here for 2 decades.
Yeah.
So as a normal OFW, we're striving actually, but we can survive with this pandemic. So we're still
Yes, we're still kicking, even it's really hard.
and we're still alive.
Yes. We have to. So, Ate Evie, did you pack your things?
So where are we going?
We are actually going to Germany and get you some Black Forest cake.
So here we go. Come
Let's go.
on. It was wonderful. So my cravings was satisfied and I love the Black Forest.
Wow. Thank you very much for accepting my invitation on the episode of Crush Baking on You.
So hopefully you will invite me again for the
I
next episode.
I hope. Let's see that. Let's
So
see.
we'll do the cheesecake.
Or do that just once again at the Evie, do you have someone whom you wanted to greet, your family in the Philippines or a friend who's watching us right now?
Say hi to my families in the Philippines and in Canada. Hopefully you will watch this episode that I was featured, and I'm sorry I was not so comfortable in front of the camera.
No, she is really actually very comfortable, more than me.
And thank you for featuring me. So hopefully
Great
next time we
pleasure.
can still have time with another brand of cake.
Yes, we're gonna schedule it at the Evie, hopefully. And thank you also for letting me come in your very sweet home and very lovely kitchen.
You are the first time who have baked in this place.
Alrighty, thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who watched our pilot episode and second episode. Bye everyone!
Bye-bye.
So thank you sweetheart for watching, and this is me again, my sister saying, as long as you know how to bake, life is sure to be sweet. Because life is what you bake of it. Hand in hand, let's make the world a better place. See you next Monday for another episode of Crush Baking on You. You are Cheryy special. That's why I love you, Cheryy, much.
Toot, 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 bum, 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 bum.